Hey, so Helium 10 X-ray Chrome extension alternative. Is there such a thing for Amazon FBA product research and product validation? Yes, there is. I'm going to share it with you in this video. And I want to tell you that before I do that, in the description, I'm going to have a full detailed tutorial for X-ray by Helium 10 because I still believe it's a great tool. Maybe you're not sure how to use it, and I've prepared a full A to Z tutorial that shows you how to use X-ray from basically A to Z. The video link is in the description. Also, if the price is an issue, then I have a free trial of Helium 10 in the description and some discounts that will help you get X-ray at a lower rate. So hopefully choose and use it in the description. But if you're looking for an alternative for Helium 10 X-ray, there is the Chrome extension by Jungle Scout, which is also a tool that is similar to the Helium 10 X-ray. But maybe again, for some reasons you don't want to use the X-ray, then I have the Jungle Scout Chrome extension for you. In the description, you're going to find a full tutorial that shows you how to use it from A to Z. And also the best discounts for Jungle Scout. There's going to be one page, another page of discounts that I'm going to share with you so you can find the best pricing offer for yourself for Jungle Scout. And this is going to be a decent alternative because it's also full of good features and will be able to help you find and validate products for Amazon FBA. So again, the best video tutorials and the best discounts for both Helium 10 and Jungle Scout are linked in the description for you. Have a great day.